What's up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of three. So if that sounds like something that will interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below. Go ahead and join the shmoney team so you can be like us, getting your shmoney together. As you guys can tell from the title of the video, this is going to be a cash stuffing video. Let's go. We are cash stuffing my variable expenses, starting off with Queen, which is myself. We are going to be, actually there's no rollover, there's no, oh no, we do have some change, so let's go ahead and get rid of this change.
I do save my change in a little jar like this. I don't really like putting the change in here. It usually takes forever. But I probably could speed this card up. So that's my change. And I don't put pennies in here, so I just put.
And we have so far $33.59. And I actually keep my pennies in this Sailor Moon bank. So this is super cute, but this is also a bank. So for myself, for Queen, I'm going to be giving myself $25. So that's going to be a 20 and a $5 bill. Kenzie F. Baby, please say the baby. She's getting $10. So that's a $10 bill. Trance is also getting $10. That's a $10 bill. And for gas, we are doing $150. So that's going to be 320s. 1, 2, 3. I say 320s, 350s.
Yeah, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Just in a whole other world. I actually feel better today because I have been having some neck pain for like an entire week.
So Eat Out is actually getting nothing. Mikasa is getting $25. So for my household products and stuff like that. So that's a 20 and a 5 for Mikasa. Self-care is also getting 25. How does self-care get changed in there? I must have accidentally put it in there. We'll just set that to the side. So self-care is getting 25 also. So that's a 20 and a 5. Miscellaneous is getting $10. So there's just a $10 bill. Love is going to get $5. Guys, I just realized that I did not say how much money I was cash stuffing. It's actually $537. I hope the numbers was right, but we'll know by the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So love is getting $5.
And now we need to cash stuff our high priority. So first we're going to stuff birthdays. We're going to be adding $100 to birthdays. So as you guys know, those of you that follow me on Instagram, my daughter had her birthday. I ended up spending, I think, a total of like $400 altogether. Man, that was a lot. But so we're adding 100. So now we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. I actually need to be updating my trackers, but as I always say, I'll do that later. So we still have $500, and we still have my birthday and also Trent's little chocolate birthday. Why am I closing this? Next, we're going to be stuffing the car fund. Is going to be getting $77. So I did get some routine maintenance done. So we'll see what we have. So we're going to add 77. So that's going to be a 50, a 20, a 5, a 5, a 5, and 2 ones. So now altogether in car we have 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 415, 420, 421, 422. Okay, that's good. Now I do still have some car maintenance that I need to get done, but I also need to get my tags and pay 2 more tickets. So that may have to come out of my car fund. I'm not sure about that. Next, we are going to stuff emergency with $25. So let's add, that's going to be 20 and a 5. So now in emergency we have 1,000, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. So we have 1,050 in the emergency fund. Next, we're going to be stuffing Christmas, because we can't forget about Christmas, because Christmas will creep right up on us, and we really have not been showing Christmas any love, but we're going to figure it out. So we're adding $50 to Christmas. So now we have 50, 100, 150, 170. What? 50, 100, 150, 170. So now we have 170 in Christmas, which is okay. We're doing a little something. And then last but not least, we are going to be stuffing $25 for our savings challenges. I'm actually going to do the savings challenges in another video once I like collect up some money, because I know, like I always say, oh yeah, we do savings challenges and all we be doing is cash stuffings and budget with me's. But I was supposed to start this year. I just don't know what happened. Like, the beginning of the year was just so rough for me, and I just still been trying to get myself back together. But I said I'm not going to let the middle of the year come and I haven't at least started it. So I'm going to take $10, $20, $25, and I'm going to put it inside of my savings challenge envelope. And once I get a little bit more money, I'll go ahead and do a savings challenge video. And yeah, guys, so that brings you to the end of the video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, leave me a purple heart emoji in the comments and give this video a great big like if you like it or if it helped you out in any way. If you have not subscribed, baby, I do not know what you are waiting for. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button below so you could join the Shmoney team, so you could be lit like us, because we over here getting our Shmoney together, baby. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.